Hello beauty buddies, you are new into Oriflame and you don't even know how to order your product, or maybe you've been in Oriflame for a very long time and you don't know how to order your product. So in this video I'm going to be showing you one after the other how you can actually do that. So the first thing you need to do once you join Oriflame, just come to Google here and type ng.oriflame.com. okay, let's practicalize it for those of you that might be confused. Just come to that place and type Oriflame. Either you type Oriflame login, okay, just type Oriflame login. So by the time you click on Oriflame login, the first thing you're seeing at the top of your this thing, but like this thing, exactly what you're seeing here, just click on it. Okay, so by the time you click on it, you're going to be seeing things like this. You're going to be coming to a session. Okay, you're going to be coming to a session like this, like this particular place. You can see that I am having to order, but because I want to actually explain very well to you guys, I will cancel this order and I will start all over again so that I can actually help, so that I can actually show you guys what you need to do. Okay, so now let me cancel it. For example, this one also is to teach you how to go about it. For example, let's say you mistakenly made an order and you don't want the order again, like you want to cancel the order. All you just need to do is just click on this icon. This icon I kind of highlighted. Just click on it and it will be removed from the list of your stuff. And also the same thing applies to this. You just click on it and it will be removed from your stuff. Okay, that being said, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can actually get updates each time I upload new videos. Now let's go to the business of the day. So the first thing you need to do, come to this particular place here, this three parallel icon. Just come to the other place. For those once you log in, for example, now you can see that the immediately I did that, it came to my own dashboard. It is because it is automatic already on my phone. But for those of you that are not automatic, once you just click on the Oriflame login, they are going to ask you for your ID number. Put in your ID number and also your password, and automatically you should come to a place like this. So that being said, just come to this particular parallel line. So you just come here. So by the time you actually come here, all you need to do is just to check for the list of products. You can see that we have numerous products here. So we have skin care, we have body lotion, we have local inspiration where you can learn stuff, nutritional products, skincare, makeup, fragrance, bath and body, hair, blah blah. Just name them. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, let's say I want to actually get skincare. I'll just click on my skincare product. So by the time I click on skincare, everything under skincare, every product under skincare will be outlisted here. Can you guys see that? Can you see the list of skincare products? And now look at it, they have 56 products under skincare alone. Let's say for example, now the money you're seeing is too much and you don't really have a particular product in your mind, and maybe you just want to go for a cheaper product. Just come to this recommended or these filters. Okay, come to the recommended, click on it. You can see that for example, if you want to check the latest products under the skincare, just click on it. Okay, that is the new product that have been added. Just click on it. So by the time you kind of click on it, anyone you see new, it means that they just added them to the catalog. So the same thing applies. Then like now I want to go for the cheapest price. I think the one that has very low price, so I'll go to my lowest price. So by the time I click on lowest price, the next thing I will just do is to check. Okay, I think I love this one, this Glow Essential Mask and Scrub. I love it, so I'll just click on it. So the next thing you need to do is just to click on this cart here. So by the time you click on this cart, automatically look at this up top part is already added. Okay, once you've already done that, then you just come to this your cart here. So by the time you click on your cart, you just click on it, simple and short. So you already added it to your shopping bag. So now what are we expecting? All right, so immediately you're just here. I'll just take my time to explain a bit for you guys. Now you're seeing this, your 8/150 bonus point. It simply means that this is what you need to actually step up to the next stage. Okay, so that's that about that. Now you look at our product here. Did you guys see what we're having? Now I will take time to explain to you. Remember I said new people, like new persons. If you look at this product, this is the only product we ordered. So if we are to pay money, it is only the money of this particular product and the way bill charge. that are going to be added here. But now if you look at it, you kind of scroll up, you're seeing other things that are added to your kit. You can see that you're having your starter kit. If you kind of click on this particular place, click on this thing, you're going to be seeing that you have like the things that will be added to what you have is going to be the catalog and also the price list. Okay, you can see all these ones, they are free. Then the membership fee is 4,490, so they are going to be adding it to your order. All right, so just for you to have an idea. Then all these ones are kind of what is similar to what you order. So if you kind of looking for other things to order, you can click on just the cart icon here and it will be added to your order. So once you've gotten that, all you need to just do is to click on this, come to this down section and click on checkout. Now I want you guys to take note of this price. It simply means that this is the amount you're going to pay, but I will show you how to reduce this amount so that you don't get to pay excess. All right, so all you do is just to click on checkout. So by the time you click on checkout, you come to this place, click on continue. All right, this why here is blank is because there is no offer, like there is no bonus, there is no promo currently going on. So if there is promo currently going on, you are going to be seeing it here, but for now there is nothing like that. So all you need to do is just to come down here and click on continue. So by the time you click on continue, remember that I told you guys something that I was going to show you guys how to actually reduce the amount you're supposed to pay. The amount you're supposed to pay is dependent on this. Okay, the amount you pay is dependent on your delivery options. So and we have two types of delivery here. We have pickup delivery and we have your address delivery. Let me explain these two for you. So anytime you want to get any product online from Oriflame, just choose the first one, which is the pickup point. This pickup point is telling you that okay, I want to come and collect my product from any of your offices close to my area. Let's say you are staying in Kaduna, or you are staying in Kano, you're staying in Lagos. They are what they call SPOs. So they have different SPO in different places. So you just pick the one that is close to your location. Okay, at least the one that is very like that is nearest to your location. So by the time you choose this one, it's going to save you a lot of cost. But if you put delivery address, they are going to ask you, like you're going to put in the address and everything, just fill in the normal details. Okay, so now you are going to follow the options. Like if you choose this first one, they are going to be asking you your location and everything. But I'll just advise, just go for this. If I'm to advise you, just pick the first one, which is pick up point. Okay, by the time you actually click on the pick up point, the next thing you're going to be doing is to come to this particular place and type the place you want. Just click on like the city or the address of where you are, like where you want it. For example, let's say I need Kano, for example. Now let's say I'm in Kano, for instance. Okay, by the time you just click on Kano, you're going to be scrolling down and be checking the address to see which one is closer to your area. Now if you look at the way bill price, you can see that it's more cheaper compared to the one that they'll bring it directly to your house. Okay, so you just pick anyone. Okay, let's, for example, now if you are very close, just check for the address that you know is very close to your place. All right, so you just click on anyone that is very close to your area. I'm still searching for the one I can literally use. Okay, so I think this one, okay, let me just go for this, something like this for the sake of this video. So you're just going to click on it. So by the time you click on it, then you click on what, confirm. Please check their dates, like their phone number is there, that is the place that you choose, their phone number is there and all that. So by the time you just click on what, confirm, you can see now that this is it. So you can call any of the numbers here that okay, that's just to be sure. So by the time you do that, you're going to see it here. So for example, now this is it. This all in stock means that all the order you make, if you go to that particular place, you get your orders. Okay, so that's that about that. Then when you're done, if you now look at this particular place, now the money has reduced from 12,000 to 11,000. That is because I choose the pickup delivery as my form of delivery. Then the next thing you're going to be doing is to click on what, continue. So by the time you click on continue, the next one is what, your payment. Okay, now if you're a Nigerian, you need to have a Zenith account. This one is not like any other stuff that you can literally use any account. No, if you're in Nigeria, you can actually use your Zenith. It's either you transfer using I'm going to be explaining for you one after the other. It's either you transfer using what? Using the USSD code. Like you follow this code here, that is, you type the code, then star blah blah blah, star 966 star 6 star 7741 star your consultant number, that is your ID number, then click on hash. Okay, then you do the transfer. So it's either you do like that, or what you need to do is to come to this their mobile. You can use their mobile app. So I'll be explaining the mobile app for you guys, how you can actually use the mobile app to make your money, to make your payment. So I'll be doing that now. Now, if you are not in Nigeria and you have boot pay, okay, all you need to do is just to click on like this boot pay. Now you can actually use your boot pay to pay, and if you're also in Ghana, you can also check the payment. You can check how to go about it here. Then these are the available options for those of you that are not in Nigeria. Okay, so you can just click on it, put your bank details, and you are good to go. So now for those of you that are in Nigeria and you have Zenith account already, so let me teach you guys how to actually use the mobile transaction to do it. So let's go to our Zenith app now so that I can actually show you guys. Okay, all right, so you're already in your Zenith mobile app. The first thing you're going to do is just to click on this particular place. Follow the arrow I'm showing you. Click on the three parallel line at the top left hand side. Okay, the time you click on that, the next step, you come to this bill payment. Just click on the bill payment. So after clicking on the bill payment, make sure that it is on Zenith billers. Leave it the way it is. Make sure it is on Zenith billers. Then this your account. Select the account. For example, now you just click on this particular one and click on the account that have money. There are some persons that have like more than one account in the Zenith. So just click on the one. You will see a circle. I don't want to click on it because I don't want it to violate YouTube policy, all right? Because they don't like showing account details and all that. You will see I'll be covering some details just to protect, the YouTube policy and all that, to prevent this video from being taken down. So that's about that. So just click on the account. That is your account. Click on it. So once you're done with that, you come to this particular one, this category. Click on the category. So by the time you click on this category, come down and come to this FMCG. Okay, just click on FMCG. This circle you're seeing, by the time you do like that, then the next step is for you to just go to your select biller. So just scroll it down and you're going to be seeing Oriflame here. Okay, so by the time you do that, okay, you click on select Oriflame. So after you must have done that, the next thing you're going to be doing is to come here and put your consultant number. Okay, your consultant number, you already know where it is. So you just copy your consultant number. Your consultant number is the same thing as your ID number. Put your ID number here. Then the amount that you saw in your card, that is the total amount, everything you're going to be paying. If it is 11, I think from our DC we are paying 11,500 naira, something like that. You copy it, you come here and paste the amount. Okay, so by the time you just do that, all you need to do is to do what? Is to click on what? Continue. Okay, so by the time you just click on continue, then they are going to deduct the money. They will ask you for your how will I say it now? They are going to be asking you for your PIN and everything, just the normal way you do withdraw, you do send money from your mobile app to other network or to other persons. So by the time you do that, then the money is going to be deducted from your account automatically. After you must have finished the payment and everything, your ID number, your transaction will continue. Okay, automatically Oriflame will be notified that okay, so person, so ID number have paid this so amount. Then they will now activate your order. All right, so now let's go back to the Oriflame portal so that we can finish our order. Do you get? So we are back to our Oriflame dashboard. So this is what you're going to be having. So the next thing is just to click on what? Continue. Okay, click on this continue. All right, so by the time you click on continue, you're going to be seeing your delivery, that is the address of the SPO you're using, the payment and everything, your billing address and everything is going to be added. You are going to be seeing it's just like a summary of everything you've made. Then your orders also, you are going to be seeing your orders. You see it. Then when you're done, you just click on what? Finish. This finish, where you are seeing finish here, just click on it. Okay, once you just click on that finish, automatically you'll be seeing something like this, like thanks for your order, blah blah blah. You can see the details here. Okay, when you kind of scroll down, you're going to be seeing this. Okay, you're going to be seeing like the summary of everything, the SPO that your order is going to be given, where you're going to collect it, and that is your order number, the total BP that all the order you made is accrued. You're going to be seeing it. Okay, so and now I want you guys to take note of this. Remember that our order was sent successfully, right? Now don't be scared in case you are in this shoe. Now the next you're going to be checking out is this particular place. They said order status unpaid. It simply means that you've not paid, meaning if you did not pay your money in 3 days, that is in 72 hours, your order will automatically cancel. Okay, now for the sake of this video, I will just click on what? Cancel order. The same thing applies if you make any mistake in ordering. Maybe you put the wrong product. Once you click on this order and it's successful, don't worry, you can always go back. That is after you've not paid. Okay, after you've not paid, so you can always go back and correct your order. But note that if you have paid and it is already showing paid, whatever mistake in order you done cannot be revised. Okay, except you call the customer service, who will kind of put it through and tell you what you need to do. Okay, so this is just that about that. So if you like this video and you want to be getting more updates relating to this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow us on our social media platforms. Let's have your question in the comment section so that we can literally help you out. All right, so bye guys, and see you in our next video. So I'll just click on what? Cancel order. All right, so this is it here. I'll click on cancel order. So now that I've clicked on cancel order, are you sure to continue? Are you sure to continue? Yes, I want this order to be cancelled. I don't want the order anymore. So I'll just click on it and you see your order has been cancelled. All right, so it's as simple as that. All right, so this is just the update I have for you guys today. So bye guys, and see you in our next video.